1. Lifestyle inflation. One of the biggest financial mistakes people make doesn't happen when they're struggling. It happens when life starts going well. You get a raise, a promotion, a better paying job, and suddenly your lifestyle begins to grow alongside your income. The apartment gets bigger, the car gets nicer, the subscriptions multiply, the weekend trips become more frequent. None of these things seem expensive on their own, but together they quietly absorb every extra dollar you earn. This is called lifestyle inflation, and it's one of the biggest reasons people feel financially stuck despite earning more than ever. The strange part is that many people believe the next raise will finally solve their money problems, but if spending grows at the same speed as income, nothing really changes. The fix? When your income increases, increase your investments first. Let your future benefit before your lifestyle does, because wealth isn't created by how much you earn. It's created by how much you keep. 2. Waiting for the perfect time. Many people spend years preparing to start. They'll invest when the market crashes. They'll save when they earn more. They'll launch the business when life settles down. They'll start next month, next year, eventually. The problem? The perfect time rarely arrives. And while they're waiting, time keeps moving. Someone who invests a small amount today often ends up far ahead of someone who waited years trying to do it perfectly. Why? Because action creates momentum. Waiting creates excuses. Most successful investors didn't start because conditions were perfect. They started because they understood something important. The cost of waiting is usually higher than the cost of making small mistakes. The fix? Start before you're ready. Small action beats perfect planning almost every time. 3. Spending to impress other people. This mistake is incredibly common, and social media has made it even worse. People buy things they don't truly want to impress people they don't even know. Luxury brands, expensive cars, designer watches, the newest phone every year. Not because these purchases improve their lives dramatically, but because they signal status, and status feels good. At least temporarily. The problem is that appearance and wealth are not the same thing. Many people spend years looking wealthy while quietly remaining broke. Meanwhile, many genuinely wealthy people look surprisingly ordinary because they're focused on ownership rather than appearance. The fix? Stop asking, "What will people think?" Start asking, "What will this decision do for my future?" Because financial freedom is far more impressive than financial performance. 4. Emotional spending. Most purchases aren't logical. They're emotional. Someone feels stressed. They shop. Someone feels bored. They scroll and buy something. Someone feels lonely. They order food. Someone has a bad day. They convince themselves they deserve a reward. The purchase creates a temporary emotional boost, but eventually the feeling fades. And now both the original problem and the missing money remain. This cycle is incredibly common because modern marketing doesn't just sell products, it sells emotions, comfort, status, confidence, belonging. The fix? Create a pause between desire and purchase. Even waiting 24 hours can dramatically reduce impulse spending because often what we really wanted wasn't the item. It was the feeling we believed it would create. 5. Having no emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Something always breaks. Something always goes wrong. A car repair, a medical bill, a job loss, an unexpected expense. Without an emergency fund, every setback becomes a crisis. And that's when people often turn to credit cards, loans, buy now, pay later. Debt becomes the solution to a problem that savings could have solved. An emergency fund isn't exciting. It doesn't generate headlines, but it creates something incredibly valuable: financial resilience. The fix? Build a buffer before chasing big returns, because stability often comes before wealth. 6. Carrying high-interest debt. This is one of the few financial mistakes that actively works against you every single day. While investments try to grow your money, high-interest debt does the opposite. Many people focus only on the monthly payment, but that's rarely the real problem. The real problem is how much interest accumulates over time, especially with credit cards. The debt doesn't feel urgent because it grows slowly, until suddenly it doesn't. And by then, a small balance has become a major burden. The fix? Prioritize eliminating high-interest debt, because earning 8% in investments means very little if you're losing 20% somewhere else. 7. Confusing income with wealth. One of the biggest misconceptions about money is believing income equals wealth. It doesn't. Imagine two people. Person A earns $60,000 per year. Person B earns $200,000 per year. Most people assume Person B is wealthier. But what if Person A has a large investment portfolio and Person B spends nearly everything they earn? Suddenly the picture changes. Income is what comes in. Wealth is what stays. And many high earners quietly struggle financially because they never learned the difference. The fix? Pay attention to your net worth. Because wealth isn't measured by your paycheck. It's measured by what you own. 8. Not investing in yourself. Many people become obsessed with saving money, but they ignore one of the most powerful investments available: themselves. Learning new skills, improving communication, building expertise, growing their network, developing their earning potential. These things often produce returns for decades. Yet people frequently hesitate to spend money on education or personal growth. Ironically, they'll spend hundreds on entertainment without thinking twice. The truth is that skills compound, knowledge compounds, experience compounds. The fix? Treat personal growth as an investment instead of an expense, because your income potential is one of the most valuable assets you'll ever own. 9. Trying to get rich quick. This mistake has existed forever. People want shortcuts. They want the secret, the hack, the overnight success story. That's why speculative investments become so attractive. The promise is simple: fast wealth, little effort, huge upside. The problem? Most shortcuts lead nowhere, or worse, they lead backwards. The people who consistently build wealth usually follow a much less exciting strategy. They save, they invest, they stay patient, they repeat. And over time, those boring actions outperform most attempts to get rich quickly. The fix? Stop looking for the fastest path. Start looking for the most sustainable one. 10. Ignoring compound growth. This might be the most expensive financial mistake of all, because it doesn't feel like a mistake. It feels harmless. Someone delays investing for 5 years. Someone stops contributing for a few years. Someone keeps waiting for a better opportunity. The problem is that compound growth depends heavily on time, and time is the one resource nobody can recover. Most people dramatically underestimate what small actions can become when repeated consistently. That's because compound growth is invisible at first. Progress looks slow. The results feel unimpressive, which is exactly why people quit. But eventually something changes. The growth begins accelerating, and suddenly the same habit that looked insignificant starts producing meaningful results. The fix? Think in decades instead of months. Because compound growth rewards patience more than brilliance. Outro. Most financial mistakes aren't caused by a lack of intelligence. They're caused by human behavior: fear, impatience, validation, emotions. The good news is that behavior can change, and often, avoiding major financial mistakes creates more wealth than finding the perfect investment ever could. Because building wealth isn't usually about doing one thing perfectly. It's about avoiding the mistakes that keep most people stuck. So which financial mistake do you think is the most common? Let me know in the comments, and subscribe for more videos about money, psychology, human behavior, and modern life, explained simply.